Welcome everyone to me opening AliExpress $1.99 plus or minus deal. Let's get straight into this. You know the routine, but we'll see what I got this time. I'm a little bit excited about it. Well, I'm always excited to get something from the mail, but here we go. What we got here. All right, this package here. Nice, good size. Let me see. I need my scissor. Or maybe we'll use the blade instead. All right, came in 2 boxes. Let's figure out what they are. I'm trying to figure out. Okay. Oh, okay. These are basically spotlights or vehicle truck light, work light. They call it all those. But yeah, interesting. Now these right here, I got these for $7.19 for a pair, $17.19 for a pair. To be honest, I don't know how to install lights. I never done it, so it's gonna be a new experience for me to try and install lights on my Jeep. But it's pretty simple. You can see black for ground and red for power. Hook it up to switch system, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. But $7.19 for a pair of LED work lights. Pretty cool. And it comes with I believe yeah, all the accessories for mounting. So pretty cool. $7.19 for them. Yeah, they look the same, but let me just get it out. Alright, get this out of the way. Next up is car seat pillows. Yes, this right here. The way my car seat, well, the front driver and passenger side seat, the headrest, I'm not sure if it's in the design or something, but mine, when you sit, the headrest is tilted forward, and then the seat goes in, and then so if you lean yourself all the way back, you tend to have your head, tilted down. So I'm not sure why the design like that is not flat, to rest your head on. So this one right here actually goes between the headrest and your seat itself, and it creates a, basically, yeah, this one is called a headrest pillow. Pretty cool. Now I got these for $1.99 each. I got 2 of them for $1.99 for each of them. So pretty cool. I got it in front black and white in the back, which matches my Jeep. My Jeep is black and white coloration. So pretty cool. $1.99 for one. I got 2 of them. Get that one out too, right there. Okay. Next up, yeah, these flashlights right here. You've seen these before. What I got here is a different model version, and the reason I got it is of this part right here. It actually is for a focus. See, So let's see, I'm sure it has juice right now. Oh yeah, and then you see the focus, watch. Wow, look at that, guys. Pretty bright, and then the features is all the same. It's similar to the large one I got right here. Basically, it's a smaller version, and it does the same exact thing. And the previous large one, this is the original. Original don't have the focus beam, it's just straight. But as far as in the other function, it's the same thing. See, so that's one in the front, and then lighter, and then strobe, and then the side light, and then the red and blue emergency flashers. And then this one is the black light, basically. Yeah, you get anything that's, I should have got something, but yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, it's black light. So pretty cool, unique, and yeah, nice. It's like I said, it's a smaller version of that. So pretty cool. Yep, these right here, I got them for $3.08 each. $3.08 each. I got 4 of these. Pretty cool. I'm gonna plan to, you know, definitely keep one for myself, and the rest is for gifts. So nice. It comes with the clip here, and the charger, and key ring or something clip. But oops. Yeah, $3.08 each. I got 4 of them. So let's get that right here. 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Next up, right here, let's figure out what this is. Okay, also come in 2-piece. I believe these are another type of work light that I got. This is the slimmer version. Let's see, I'll show you what they look like without emptying the whole box. Yeah, you got your parts and accessories. But there it is, guys. That's pretty cool. It has protective film on it, but I'll take it off later. But yeah, pretty simple. Same thing, ground and power wire. Simple installation, but I'll figure out how to do it. That's pretty neat right there. Sort of low profile work lights. So we'll figure it out. But yeah, these right here, I got it for a pair of these for $4.79 each. $4.79 each for a pair. Let me get the other one out too. And just put the box and accessories away. There it is. Second pair, I mean. All right, next up, this one right here is a tweezer set. And the unique thing about the tweezer is has different types, needle nose and all that stuff. It's meant, you know, like you're doing a workshop, you're doing little okay, let me get this out. Yeah, there it is. Let me try to open it without getting everything out. There we go. Like an example, right there, long reach tweezers, pick, another tweezer, sort of like an angle tweezer. It has protective cover on it, but yeah, you get the point. Pretty cool. Now these right here For a 7-piece set like this, I got for $2.09. $2.09 for stainless steel tweezer set. Pretty cool. Okay, next up is an elbow screwdriver ratchet tool set. Yeah, that's pretty cool right there. Look at that. You could put your drill bit in there or screwdriver bit. Pretty cool. It angles 180 degrees. So yeah, I'm gonna, yeah, it has a ratchet set right there. So see, I believe that's what it is, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, pretty simple angle screwdriver set. I mean, screwdriver itself. It's $2.69 for it. Not too bad. $2.69. So it'll go into my toolbox. $2.69 for this. That's pretty cool. Okay, next up, I believe that is it. So there it is. I'm gonna try to make it presentable. Let's see. Pillow. Lights. Go. That should do it right there. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.